Let's go and see what happens to the staging. Vanessa, wow, this is amazing. I'll just sit here for the rest of the day and then I'm not doing anything.
Alright, I'm going to start my video at the top level. I get up, no, the main bedroom is down that level. Get up and then you see this bathroom. Everything will be painted Swiss coffee, white. You got this loft here. We're going to do a desk here, a chair, and an accent chair. I want to do a fun desk. Maybe we double up and put chairs and chairs. That might be too much. So let's just do a desk, a chair, and an accent chair. That can be a stool or a chair, perhaps an accent chair, small one. Okay, so there's 2 bedrooms here. This will be full. And this one is the 3rd bedroom, which is a twin, and then it's a chair. The closet is there. Okay, let's go down. This is the main bedroom. That would be a queen, a foot bench, and an accent chair. You can have a 2-piece there. This is the main bathroom that is also shared in the hallway. Lots of private space. Bathroom here, accent chair. Okay, and we'll go down to this traffic. 6570. That's probably a sectional here.
Vanessa, she is my stager, but I think she's more of a designer than a staging. I only gave her white walls and white flooring. Looks like a hospital, actually.
Miss Macy, how are you doing?
Oh, how are you doing, Vanessa?
Yeah, I love your necklace.
Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Vanessa Nielsen with Encore Staging Services, and today we have Miss Macy Young.
Hi, how are you?
Without further ado, let's go inside. Okay, Macy, here we are.
Wow, this is amazing. I didn't give you a place so big. Now it's so spacious. I can't believe here. This mirror is just put at the very, very right spot.
So let's talk about all the things that were here before this place got transformed. What was the flooring before we see this one?
It was actually maple light color wood floor, but it has water damage. So I know to make it simple, and this kind of flooring is the latest in style. Wow, this is like a big place for a party, and then everybody, I can imagine people holding the champagne glass and everything here.
Our first stop is the primary bedroom.
I think you just put the right amount of things and make it very comfortable.
The white walls really did help give a clean look. White walls and white ceilings, all in one color, all in one sheen, actually make the room feel a lot bigger. This bathroom here actually is attached to the primary bedroom. You can also access the bathroom from the hallway, so there's 2 entry points. The bathroom feels even larger because of the glass door here and the nice double-sided mirror. All right, let's go up to the 3rd level. Now we're up in the loft, the 3rd floor.
Wow, Vanessa, this is amazing that you give me a very nice, spacious office.
Thank you. I wanted to play up the vaulted ceiling by bringing the tree into the space, making the eye go up. Yeah, this room here actually wasn't that big, but we were able to create multiple functions in the space.
2 offices is really amazing. Even, no, not just for kids, even if it's a couple, both of them working.
I know, Macy, you told me that this was actually your favorite space because of the view you get from this window.
Kind of make people come over and enjoy the view, which is really the selling point of this place.
Thanks so much everyone for watching this video with us. I hope you enjoyed the transformation. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We'll see you at the next property. Take care now. Alright, Macy.
Oh, so should I quit real estate job and do staging?
Absolutely, I would love you to join my team.
Yeah, I don't like moving furniture. Bye.